Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Agri-Science Past Question, Question 3. The upper layer of the soil profile is usually darker than the lower because of dash A. Higher clay content, B. Higher mineral content, C. Higher moisture content, and D. Higher organic matter content. Now, before we answer this question, let's just briefly look at the meaning of soil. Now, soil simply refers to what? A complex mixture of minerals, water, air, organic matter, and countless organisms that are the decaying remain. I said that countless organisms that are the decaying remains of once living things. That are the decaying remains of once living thing. Now, this soil is also described as the what? As the topmost layer of the earth's surface, and it's capable of supporting plant lives. So soil is capable of supporting plant lives. Now, soil is made up of what? Minerals, water, air, organic matter, and also what? Remains of what? Of organisms. And this soil, when you check soil profile, is actually divided into what? Various layers. Soil is divided into various layers. But the question here is asking us about the what? The upper layer of the soil. And this upper layer of the soil is also known as the what? As the humus or organic layer. It's known as the humus or organic layer. Now, this upper layer or the humus organic layer is actually what? Darker than the lower or the rest layer. One, because of what? The high organic matter content. Because of the what? Higher organic matter content. This organic matter now simply refers to what? The remains of plants and animals. They form up the what? The organic matter. And that is why this layer is referred to as the humus or organic layer. So this layer is actually dark because of what? The higher organic matter content it has. So from this you see that what? Option D is the correct answer to this question. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.